Yeah! Nah, stalgia.
Hi there. Happy New Year. 2021. More than ever, we need a little nostalgia. To mess up a quote by Jessica Fletcher. We need a little nostalgia right this very minute. Well, here we are in my boat shed, which I was last in episode 155 of Walkabouter's Guide to Australia, where I split off into two clones of myself. One stays here, the other goes walkabouts. But enough origin story. Case in point, my He-Man. He's legless, and I don't mean drunk. He's lost his legs. First of all, well, I've already said a few things already. So, third of all, I love He-Man. Not in a romantic sense, mind you, but like when you say, I love Star Trek. Well, actually, I do love Star Trek in a romantic way. So, bad example. Anywho, here's an old picture of me as a little boy with my He-Man toys, way more intact than the current ones are. If only I had kept them in the box, then I wouldn't have to live in this box. The only thing that remains of poor Battle Cat is his back armor. Cringer can no longer become the mighty Battle Cat. I hear this guy, Mosquito, is worth a lot of money. So thank God. But then we have Prince Adam, who's also legless, and vestless. I guess I could choose to put his vest back on him. I always remember him being pink, like on top. Do you think they made two versions, one white, one pink? This brings me to my fourth point. Who's keeping track now? I can replace Prince Adam. I was in the toy shop the other day, and look, legs and all. They've got a better, what was this guy's name? Hammerhead or something? Ram Man. This is Ram Man. Hard to get his legs to come off, so we won't be replacing Ram Man today. But should we replace our Masters of the Universe figurines? That's a good question. I've still got King Randor, but he doesn't have his crown. There's no way the little tiny plastic little half a semicircle would survive. I don't know why they wouldn't just glue it to the head. I should have glued it to the head. Speaking of glued to the head, many faces. This one's cool. Kids' toys suck nowadays, but luckily Mattel has realized this and they've just gone back to their best sellers from the 1980s. Okay, should we replace He-Man? Here are the choices. There's this one, which matches the old one very carefully. The face looks more like the cartoon character than this angry He-Man I have here. But his armor looks the same. So that's something. Is it not? He also has legs. Oh yeah, I forgot he could twist. Twist his waist and he swings back with a punch. I wonder if the original did that. He's going to swing his waist. Maybe he needed legs to fulfill the punch. Kind of a balance thing. So, there is this version. There's also the one I found in Walmart. Way more like the cartoon show. Very yellow hair. Do you know when I was that little boy in that photograph? Go back to the photograph. When I was that little boy in that photograph, my kindergarten teacher, I was colouring in like you draw yourself, obviously. And I said, I have yellow hair. And then she said, no, you don't, you have blonde hair. And then I said to her, then why am I using the yellow crayon to paint my hair, lady? Anyhow, I digress. I prefer this one because it matches the original one, but with legs. This one's cool though, because the legs don't seem to be able to be ripped off as easily. This one is modern posing, which means the legs don't fall off. Retro play. Damn it, we should have called this show Retro Play instead of...
Yeah! Nah, stalgia.
And this one is as seen on TV. Like it's some infomercial or lifetime special offer. Ages 14 plus. Ages 6. So I guess it depends how old you are. I'm none of these. So I'd recommend this one. Sometimes you can go to Walmart and they're all gone. And I'm like, dang it, I should have bought different ones. Why did people choose this one and not that one? Skeletor. I still have my original Skeletor. Although I have like the different version. Heard something. Then we have Skeletor. I prefer my one way better. Mine's like almost like a glossy ceramic armor. And this one, is he like screaming? Again, it probably matches the cartoon, but I like my original. So we're going to keep Skeletor and keep this one in the box. So I can return it with my receipt or sell it on eBay. What else can we compare? I do have Tila, who also is missing her legs. Should we replace her with, ta-da, Tila, heroic warrior goddess? She looks very, very similar. But I don't think those legs will come off. Hopefully not. As will this He-Man alarm clock radio. Do you hear the police boat? We have Skeletor on one side, He-Man on the other. This He-Man also is lacking his legs, unfortunately. And let's compare the Castle Greyskull that I looked for inside Walmart. Here's the new version. And here's my old version. By the power of Grayskull! Let's open it, shall we? I think this was like the most sought after Christmas present of 1985, something like that. Do 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 do. We got the elevator lift, if you will, here. Amazing. The trapdoors here. I think if you rotate the chair, it like falls down. So, whoa! He fell down. Minutes of fun. It's decreased in value significantly now. That's why this is good. You can just keep it in your pocket and not destroy it. Let's open it. Unboxing Castle Greyskull. Do you know Castle Greyskull is my password on my email? Wait. I should probably change that now. Hey, look! Has trapdoor inside. This is my favorite thing ever. I wasn't expecting that. That's cool. Must be like a Kinder Surprise without the chocolate. Of course, we could put chocolate inside of it. So there must be like a different character in each one. There was a Snake Mountain one. I should have bought that. There we go. So that's my He-Man collection. A rambled debris of childhood boredom. Master of the Universe Wind Raider. If you want to raid the wind, I'm sure a lot of collectors are saying, no! I don't know. Look, I could die in a bus crash tomorrow. Or a boat crash. Seeing this is a boat shed. So you should live life. Because you can't take He-Man toys with you. To hell. Oh, what the heck. Let's unbox He-Man. Imagine if I just break his legs now accidentally. That would be the best way to end this. But again. Oh no! Thanks for watching. How to fix He-Man's legs.